What's up, everybody? What a day! What a day! So today I traded three stocks. I traded Bank of America, and I traded four. No, not three stock. I traded three stock. So Bank of America, actually four stock. I traded four stock. So I traded Bank of America, Boeing, and then I traded this crazy stock who went up over 2,000% today. So my first trade was on Boeing. I had 40 shares and I lost $47. And then I shorted Boeing at 134 and I made $11. And then on my last trade, which was the craziest, so this stock, LTRPB, it went up from $4 this morning to a high of 134 and 15 cents, over 2,000% in just one day. So this morning when I look at my scanner and the price was gapping up, and when I look at it, it was at $8, and then I did some research on it and there was no news. So I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna try to get into this stock because there's no news, and then the stock is just keep going up. And then I look back at it again, it was around $17. So I'm like, damn, what the hell is going on? So I left to go do some other stuff, and then when I come back, the stock was all the way up to, I think it was like around 130 or 132. So at this time it was like around 2,000%. So what I did is I shorted 40 shares of it. So I was like, there's no way I can lose on that trade. So I shorted 40 shares at 124, and right after I shorted, it went down to 113. And right when I saw that it was about to get halted again, I pressed sell and got out. And then it opens, I think it took like an hour for them to resume the trading, and then it opens around 337 or 339. I could have made at least $4,000 on that trade, but I didn't want to be greedy. I took $434 and ran away. That was it for me today, because $434 is a lot of money in just one day, and that happened in like, I don't know how many seconds was that. 24 to 36. So in 13 seconds, I made $434.80, which is not bad. So that was my P&L for today. I only take one loss on Boeing, and then I ended up the day with $428.